How to fix lag in Roblox, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is open Roblox and choose any server. For example, I choose this server, it's Squid Game server. Now all what you have to do is go to your desktop and go to the task manager. Down here, click on your right mouse, click task manager, go to details and scroll down until you find the Roblox right here. Let's search for it, and here is it. As you can see, click on your right mouse and choose set priority and choose high, and after that go down here and close all these apps from here like this, and then go back. And now all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on Roblox logo, go to settings and make the graphics mode manual and the graphics quality as low as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.